Welcome to Discovering the Dynamics of Past Continuous Tense. In this video, we'll dive into the world of grammar and explore how the past continuous tense adds depth to our narratives. Let's start by understanding what past continuous tense is and how it paints a picture of ongoing actions in the past. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions or events that were ongoing or in progress at a specific point in the past. It's formed using the past tense of the verb to be, was, were, followed by the present participle, ing form of the main verb. For example, I was studying when the phone rang, or they were playing football while it was raining. To form the past continuous tense, we use the past tense of the verb to be, was, were, followed by the present participle, ing form of the main verb. This tense emphasizes the ongoing nature of the action in the past. For instance, she was cooking dinner while he was watching TV, or they were laughing and chatting at the party. Now let's practice using past continuous tense in sentences to depict ongoing actions in the past. Try completing these sentences. Past continuous tense is often used to set the scene or provide background information in storytelling. It helps create a sense of atmosphere and immerses the reader or listener in the narrative. Whether you're describing past events, recounting personal experiences, or narrating a fictional story, past continuous tense brings your narrative to life and engages your audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more language tips and tricks. See you. Bye.